In this section, we want to start our work with roots and radicals, and let's start by looking at some simplification of some roots. Here I have the cube root of 27a to the 12th, and what I want to do is write down the number whose cube is 27a to the 12th, because that will be the cube root of this. So I simply notice that I can rewrite this as the cube root of 3 cubed times a to the 4th cubed. So even if I don't write this down, I think this way. Here are the numbers that we cube to get 27a to the 12th. Since I'm taking the cube root of all this, the answer will be 3a to the 4th. So 3a to the 4th is the number we cube to get 27a to the 12th. So that means that 3a to the 4th is the cube root of 27a to the 12th. Here's our next problem. 4th root 16a to the 12th b to the 20th. I'm looking for the number I take, or the expression I raise to the 4th power to get 16 a to the 12th b to the 20th. So I know if I take 2 to the 4th, I'll get 16. A to the 3rd to the 4th will give me a to the 12th, and b to the 5th raised to the 4th power will give me b to the 20th. So here I've skipped that second step, and I'm just writing down the 4th root of this expression right here. It's the expression that I raised to the 4th power to get what's inside here. Now let's look at some problems that involve fractional exponents. I have negative 8 to the 1/3 power. By definition, this means, that is, the 1/3 exponent means I want the cube root of that base, negative 8. So I simply ask myself, what number do I cube to get negative 8? And the answer is negative 2. Negative 2 to the 3rd power gives me negative 8. That means that the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. Now, negative 8 to the 1/3 power, by definition, is the cube root of negative 8. Here I have 25 to the 3/2. This means I want the square root of 25, all raised to the 3rd power. So this is my exponent 3 right here, and this denominator 2 stands for the square root of 25. So I'll take the positive square root of 25, that's 5. I want to cube that, so I end up with 125. So I can skip all these steps if I want and just say to myself, this bottom number here stands for the root, this is the power, so I want the second root of 25, which is 5, cubed is 125. Let's try another one of these. Here I have 81 to the negative 3/4. The 4 is going to give me the 4th root. The 3 means I'm going to cube what I get, and the negative sign means I want the reciprocal. So I can do this all at once by saying, what's the 4th root of 81? The answer is 3. To the 3rd power, 27, the reciprocal of which is 1/27. Now, if you wanted to actually see the work with this, what you would show would be 1 over 4th root of 81, all raised to the 3rd power. So here my negative sign gives me the reciprocal. This 3 stands for the power, and then this 4 means the 4th root. So you can show this step if you want, but you also don't have to. You can just say, I want the 4th root of 81. I'll take that to the 3rd, and then I'll take the reciprocal of what I get.